Well, today we're here in London at the Institution of Civil Engineers, where we've organised an underground solutions seminar on behalf of Bekaert Maccaferri Underground Solutions. And we've brought together a number of industry experts in their particular field.
I think that holding a presentation and seminar like this at such a prestigious venue as the Institute of Civil Engineers in the heart of London only benefits both the presenters, presenting companies, and the audience.
We tend to educate and train and inform the industry of some of the products that we have, some of the systems we operate, and some of the case studies.
The audience we've been able to present to today is a good mix of young engineers, young graduates, and experienced tunnelling managers and designers.
Okay, I'm joining the Underground Solutions Seminar today to give a presentation on developments in tunnel boring machines. I think a conference like this is very good because it's a way of engineers keeping in touch with developments which are outside their normal day-to-day sphere. It's focused on some aspects, particularly linked to the use of the steel fibres, and therefore the way that that's linked into how they're used in segments, how they're used in sprayed concrete.
My presentation started with the 1970s when I entered the sprayed concrete industry. Use of dry spray process, how it's developed through the 80s, the 90s, to where we are today, a very sophisticated wet sprayed concrete process. Also, I looked at the developments that are coming for the future, from a materials point of view, from an equipment point of view, and most importantly, from an operative point of view.
As you heard from the seminar today, a lot of major projects are using steel fibre, and I must say that the chief designers for high-speed 1 tunnels, we all agreed that steel fibre reinforcement was the way to go. And I was particularly interested in tubular arches for rock tunnels. She's able to get her design incorporated in a big project in Italy, which are doing tunnels for the A1 motorway.
We don't have enough of these types of forums where engineers can get together and talk freely and openly about the subjects that they're also passionate about, and discuss with people who are developing techniques and technology the same as Bekaert Maccaferri are actually doing.
We are a joint venture between Bekaert and Maccaferri, and we are serving the whole world in the tunneling industry. But back in our mother companies at Maccaferri, at Bekaert, we are having test labs, we are having guys following nothing else than all the different standards and recommendations. So to really work hard just also to bring in what comes out, new products, new applications, new possibilities, that really the standards are finally state of the art.
For us as designers, it gave a lot of information and also reference to codes and different tests that are not usually available in terms of finding out where the market is going and the industry, and also the contacts that you make with people here, and you are able to contact them again for your problems in your projects.
The benefit I got from the day is to have a good taste of what is the latest in the industry all across.
This is what an event like this is for. You know, we want to promote new products, we want to show the possibilities, but we also want to hear the concerns of owners, of designers about it, that we can further develop our products into the right direction.
We are a number of technical motivated people, we're engineers, we're experts in our field, and we drive technical smart solutions. The people who come along do definitely go away certainly more informed, a feeling that innovations are on the way. We have some new products already, and the people we invite to speak, our external speakers, also have innovations. So for them as well, it's a huge benefit to talk to members and senior members of the underground community at our events.
Seminars like this are always very good because you bring together quite a mixture of people through the industry.
It's been really beneficial, and I'm happy I've come and brought some members of my team along.
We are all engineers sitting in the same room, yeah. And the aim also, if you're competitors, the aim at the end is to build wonderful tunnels around the world.